This kit equips you with all the tools it takes to maintain your firearm to military standards. Now it's time to put it to work. The Breech-to-Muzzle system delivers a thorough cleaning you won't get anywhere else, and the proof is only a few steps away. Start by attaching a slotted tip to the Memory Flex cable and tying a patch to it. Apply a few drops of cleaner or CLP to the patch. Feed the cable down the bore and out the muzzle, then pull the patch through. Replace the patch and slotted tip with the appropriate bore brush and feed the cable through the breech and out the muzzle. Finish with another pass of a clean, dry patch to clear all the loose debris from your firearm. If your buildup calls for it, you should repeat this process a time or two. For specialized tasks, use the chamber brush, AP brush, or obstruction remover. If a cleaning rod is your go-to, here's another way to get the job done. Just assemble the 3 straight rods and attach a slotted tip. Then repeat the same steps used for the Breech-to-Muzzle system, running a patch through, then a brush, then another patch. Do this a few times if your firearm needs it. Same process, same uncompromising results. If you're in a rush, we have you covered. With Ripcord, all you do is feed the long, narrow end down the chamber and pull it through the muzzle. Repeat as many times as you need. Then get back to shooting. It's all in one pack, and if you're packing something extra, it's available in dual caliber configuration too. This is the Defender Series. And it's only from Otis.